I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Buenos días a todos en casita. Yo soy la profesora Paulina Ramírez de la asignatura de danza y conmigo van a estar trabajando las pausas. La pausa activa del día de hoy tiene que ver con bailes y danzas de México. Vamos a ver el jarabe poblano, solo una partecita que se llama el perico. Empezaremos a explicar qué es lo que van a hacer los pies. Vamos a hacer unos punteados. Va a ser en forma diagonal. Lo primero que va a hacer es, va a picar la punta de atrás con el pie izquierdo y luego cambiamos a enfrente con el pie derecho. Después de los punteados vas a dar un giro hacia tu derecha y se alterna todo, empezando los punteados con el pie derecho atrás. Va a quedar 1, 2 y giro a la izquierda y va punteado 1, 2 y giro y 1, 2, giro, 1, 2, giro. En el caso de las niñas, sus bracitos van a ir aquí abajo como si estuvieran sosteniendo una falda. Lo haremos todo junto a una velocidad lenta. Queda de la siguiente manera. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. Vamos a aumentar un poco la velocidad y queda de la siguiente manera. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. 1, 2, vuelta. Ahora lo haremos con música. Por el día de hoy, espero que te haya gustado, esperamos tu video y nos vemos la próxima.
Hello dear students, how are you today? I hope that you are so great and you are enjoying your days. So, let's start with our activities of this day.
So now we are gonna check some grammar about present simple. Pay attention. We are gonna use present simple to talk about habits, routines, permanent situations, and short actions now. For I, you, we, and they, we are gonna use the auxiliar do for interrogative ideas and don't for negative ideas. For he, she, and it, we are gonna use does for interrogative ideas and doesn't for negative ideas. We have some verbs rules, so let's check it. Rules for the third person singular, he, she, and it. In general, we are gonna add s to all the verbs like work, works, eat, eats. We have two rules. The verbs ending in consonant plus y, we are going to change the y to I and add es. Example, study, studies, cry, cries. And the verbs that ending in o, sh, ch, x, and s, we are gonna add es, like watch, watches, wash, washes. The activity to practice present simple is to play Kahoot. So, let's play it. So now we are gonna check some grammar about simple past. We will use simple past to talk about past actions. The auxiliaries of the past are did for interrogative ideas and didn't for negative ideas. Verbs rules. In general, we are gonna add ed and d to all the verbs like visit, visited, love, loved. If the verb finishes with a consonant plus y, we are gonna change the y to I and add ed. If the verb has one syllable, we are gonna double the last consonant and add ed, like stop, stopped. The activity to practice simple past is to go to Pleno and answer the exercise.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good afternoon. Study too much.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm mix of